A look at flossing. Along with brushing your teeth, you should also be flossing on a daily basis. Flossing will remove plaques and debris in areas that your toothbrush isn't able to reach. A buildup of plaque can lead to gum disease or tooth decay, which is why flossing is very important. If you floss immediately after brushing, you'll notice that your gums and teeth will be much healthier. When you look at dental floss, you'll notice there are two types, nylon and single filament. You can get nylon either waxed or unwaxed, in several different flavors. Nylon floss is made up of several strands of nylon material, meaning that it can shred, tear, or snag between the teeth if it gets caught on sharp teeth. Even though the single filament floss is more expensive than nylon, it will slide easily between teeth, even in tight areas and spaces. Unlike nylon, a single filament is impossible to shred or tear. No matter which type of floss you choose, as long as you floss regularly, it will remove debris from your teeth and gums. If you've never tried flossing before, you will probably be amazed at just how much debris and food particles it can remove. Flossing is recommended by dentists everywhere, as it can reach places that even the smallest of toothbrushes can't. Food and debris will build up between your teeth, which makes dental flossing very important. The main problem many people have against flossing is the fact that it can result in bleeding of the gums. Anytime you floss and get between your teeth and around your gums, the floss will rub against your gums, resulting in bleeding. Many people take this the wrong way, and immediately stop flossing, usually for good. Bleeding is very common and should be expected if flossing. When you brush your teeth, you miss a lot of food particles and debris that continues to build up in that your mouth. No toothbrush is designed to get every area of your mouth, as all of them miss hard-to-reach places. If the areas missed by the toothbrush, the debris and plaque will continue to build up until they eventually result in a cavity or decay. To get this debris and plaque before it builds up into something more serious, you'll need to floss. If you've been afraid to try flossing due to the bleeding, you should really get over the fear and floss after you brush. To keep your teeth and gums healthy, you have to brush and floss your teeth. Regular checkups with your dentist will help as well, although it is up to you to continue your regular maintenance at home with flossing and brushing. If you floss on a daily basis, you'll quickly realize just how clean your teeth and gums will be. For more information, click the link below. Like this video, comment and subscribe to this channel.